So now let's take a look at how to install Composer in Windows. So if you're on Windows, the best place to start is by going to getcomposer.org/doc/00-intro.md, and you can jump straight to the Windows section by using #installation-windows. So if you read the first two sentences, you can see that there's a download. So let's click that to begin the download. And once it's downloaded, just run it. Click Next once the Composer window pops up. I'm going to leave these at their defaults for now and click Next. I'll click Next again and install. We're going to use Composer from the command line, and it's just letting us know that we need to open a new command window in order for the changes that Composer made to take effect. I'll click Next again and finally finish. Let's open up a fresh command line prompt. And just to see this in action, let's type Composer. Okay, we see our list of commands and configuration options, so we're good to go here. From here on out, if you're using Windows, you'll use Composer at the beginning of your Composer commands. If you're using Mac or Linux, you'll use composer.phar.